Hello, traders. I hope you had a nice weekend. And today is 7th of December, Monday 2020. And I would like to share with you today's best Forex trade analysis and the result. Just to recap, traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4 hour analysis. As you can see, with the live audio commentary support, as you can see on the left hand side is the analysis, and the right side is the trade taken based on that analysis. This analysis was just after the market open. You can see we had a nice short, and we explained to traders look for the pullbacks based on the momentum. As you can see here, as mentioned on the analysis, price nicely develop another pullback, and we mentioned to trader as long as the momentum is bearish, we can hold it and keep taking short trades on pullback as long as the momentum is bearish. And as soon as the price came to the support level, we announced to traders to bank some profit on pound yen. Pound Swiss franc, as mentioned on the analysis, you can see the price was at this level that time, and you can see, as mentioned, the pullback. Price came back and developed another beautiful pullback short trade on pound Swiss franc. Euro pound, pretty straightforward based on the momentum. As always mentioned, look for long as breakout, nicely price broken and nicely hit to the first target. Dollar CAD, we were watching for our price was at major support level. As you can see, as soon as the price developed a double bottom, we announced to traders to look for a valid technical entry breakout. Beautiful. And as you can see, the first target was the blue fib channel, which price nicely hit on dollar CAD. Dollar Swiss franc, this was the another analysis and beautiful breakout long trade. And euro yen, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. At that time, price was at this level. When we broadcast this analysis, we mentioned to look for this pullback within the channel because the momentum was bearish. As you can see, nicely developed pullback. Afterwards, we also announced this breakout as mentioned on the analysis. Beautiful breakout, pullback, and breakout short trade on pound, euro yen. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. We have a nice rally. We already had this pullback. We banked some profit here, but afterwards, you can see the price nicely came down and developed sideways market. Another breakout based on the momentum. Beautiful short trade. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. Another beautiful breakout short trade. Pound yen, beautiful breakout short trade. And Euro USD, based on the momentum, as been mentioned on the analysis, short trade. And Aussie dollar consolidation breakout short trade. Kiwi dollar, again consolidation breakout short trade. Dollar Swiss franc, this was the another analysis, beautiful breakout based on the momentum, long trade. Pound yen price reached the major support level at the 4 hour, and we mentioned look for another counter breakout long trade. Price literally later on hit to the 200 EMA. Was beautiful breakout long trade on pound yen. Pound dollar, beautiful breakout. This was the another consolidation breakout. As you can see, the price nicely developed a double bottom as mentioned on the analysis, and we mentioned to look for this area to break out, which price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, we had nicely retest. Look at the bottom, momentum was bullish. So beautiful counter long trade on pound dollar. Euro USD based on the momentum, beautiful breakout long trade. Euro yen breakout long trade. Pound dollar. As you can see, we have this counter long trade, and price nicely hit to the 200 EMA, and with the previous analysis afterwards, price reached the major resistance level, develop a double bottom, double top, sorry, and beautiful breakout counter short trade. As soon as the price hit to the support level, we announced to bank some profit at this level. Dollar CAD, we already had this breakout long trade, bank beautiful pips. After the breakout, as always mentioned, look for another break pullback as mentioned on analysis, a long trade. Euro pound, pretty straightforward consolidation breakout, short trade. And pound dollar, we already had this breakout, bank some profit. Price develop another triangle pattern, as you can see it. We always look for the patterns. As soon as the price develop another triangle pattern, look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, breakout long trade and pullback long trade. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. You can see here, beautiful another symmetric triangle pattern breakout long trade. Pound dollar, this was the counter short trade. As you can see, price was at major support resistance level in 4 hour. Price developed double top here, beautiful sideways market counter breakout short trade. Euro Swiss franc, as mentioned on the analysis, momentum was bearish, as been explained to trader. If the price gonna hit to the this orange EMA, so we're taking a short trade as based on the momentum. Beautiful breakout short trade on Euro Swiss franc. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all these analysis details. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time with the live ID commentary support, with alongside with all the trade updates, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, we also provide Forex coaching and training through this platform. Even if you are struggling it, join our platform and develop your trading skill in a real-time trading environment. Or even if you're an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that pips alongside with our professional traders. So most welcome to join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.